Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RIK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Snapchat AI is not working on iPhone or Android. So guys, without waste your time, let's start this video. Snapchat AI is not working on iPhone or Android. How to fix? I understand that you are having trouble with Snapchat's My AI feature. There are a few things you can try to get it working for you. Number one is update the app. Make sure you have the latest version of Snapchat installed. Outdated versions can sometimes cause features to malfunction. Simply go back, open the App Store or Play Store and tap on the profile icon and you can see appears on screen. If update is pending or available, simply update the Snapchat app and fix your problem. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is close the Snapchat app and reopen it and fix your problem. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is make sure your iOS or Android device is connected to a smooth or stable Wi-Fi connection and fix your problem. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is log out and log back in. This can sometimes refresh your connection and resolve any authentication issue. Tap on the Snapchat app, tap on avatar icon, tap on settings, little bit scroll up and tap on log out, tap on not now, tap on log out. You can see log out and log in back and fix your problem. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying the solution number 5. Solution number 5 is delete the app from your iPhone or Android device and reinstall again. Tap on the app and tap on remove app, tap on delete app. You want to delete, if you want to delete, simply delete your app and reinstall and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working, now reset your all settings. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up, transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, reset all settings to confirm and fix your problem. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix My AI is not working on Snapchat on iPhone and Android devices. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.